how to change WhatsApp notification sound on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, changing WhatsApp notification sound is possible from the WhatsApp app itself. So, let's dive right in. Open up a WhatsApp app, then go to the settings option on the bottom right corner, and then go to notifications. Here you'll find the sound option and you can choose from any sound available here. Just tap on the sound to preview it, and then once you find the sound that you like, just tap on it to tick it and hit save. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.